Everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Munib and today we are reviewing Kling 3.0, one of the most talk about AI video generation tools right now. In this video, I am going to break down what Kling 3.0 does, how it works, its strengths and weaknesses, and whether it's worth your time in 2026. So let's get into it. Kling 3.0 is a next generation AI video creation platform developed by Hosho, designed to generate short cinematic videos directly from text, images, or references. Unlike many others AI video tools, Kling 3.0 focuses on native videos, audio generation, meaning it's produce a fully sanitized sound and visual in a single process without needing separate editing software. Key features of the Kling 3.0 model unifying a world-class supportive visual audio na- native audio and multi-shot storyboarding into a single seamless creative engine. Enhanced audio generation model expected to be able to create character specific voice referencing in, integrated into the video generations. Oh yes. Multi-shot narratives are unified storyboards workflow that generates cinematic sequence in a single pass. Link 3.0 unexpected to handle camera transitions and short reverse short dialogues patterns automatically. So next one, directorial is physics. So advanced simulations of fluid dynamics, gravity and complex object interactions. So native 4K cinematic workflow. One of the most important features in ultra high definition output with native text rendering in 4K. Wow, the next frontier Kling 3.0 extended cinematic pacing. Kling 3.0 is a removed to support native generation of up to 15 seconds. This enables creators to move from 5-second clips to fuller narratives arcs. So next one is absolute subject consistency, utilizing an extended context window when 2.6 generates up to 15 seconds of video without improved temporal degradations, keeping objects stable over time. So next, intelligent scenes reasoning. New model is expected to offer reasoning-based editing, allowing you to modify videos through natural language. Join the waitlist. It's a community of over 15 million users join global creatives network where people generate AI images, shares ideas, and inspires each other every day. This is the review of public and this is Jessica Morio. Yeah, what a beautiful review about this AI tools Higgs field. I have been using Higgsfield for a few months now. It honestly changed how I approach project. The speed is insane, and the quality is more than enough for professional work. It is gone from a side tools to something I rely on daily. More really, Marshall. Delivered a project to Dash only thanks to of $17.4 month. So very pleased, slow please. So got any questions left? What is Crank 3.0? So yes, I will tell you. Uh, Kling 3.0 is Hosho first unified multimodal video model. It was I will pay before video. I am telling this about this question. Oh yeah, get insights from expert blogs. So, get the insight you need. Our experts share the example hacks, break down the hottest topics, and provide initial how-to guides to help you build, optimize, and scale. Oh, AI influencer. Oh, yes, this was AI influencer studios how to create a viral AI influence content. Create your AI influencer instantly. Higgsfield first platform offering zero prompting, unique create creator creation and video game styles optimization. Create your influencers. So I will tell explore in the images, videos. So I will tell you images, videos. You check this out, generate video, cinema, studio vibes videos, Higgins DOP, grok image, edit video, Kling 2.6. But this is the new update of Kling 3.0. Very good and gorgeous. I will tell you. Thanks for watching this Clink 3.0 review. If you found it helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comments below. What AI tools you want to